Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Stories from an Educator. In this series, I share a story that took place in my career in education, what I learned from it, and how it can be applied to you. At one point in my career, I had the privilege of teaching a high school course called AP European History. AP courses allow students to earn college credit if they earn a specific score on the AP exam for the subject at the end of the school year. The last few months of school were devoted to test preparation. While I was finishing up course content, I was focused more on making certain my students were ready to take the AP test. I was employed part time for the school where I was teaching this subject, so I decided to take the day off when the AP test was taking place because I would only be out for one other class. Teachers cannot administer the AP exam to their classes. However, it so happened on that day there was a large scale disruption, the specific details of which I cannot recollect, but I do remember that no students were harmed in this disruption. Testing had to be suspended and the exam had to be rescheduled. As a result, I had to adjust my plans to determine what to accomplish with my students. I was able to create activities, but I certainly felt stressed at the time. So, what is the point of this story? Well, spring in a school year can have a lot of standardized testing taking place or preparation for standardized testing taking place. From this experience, I learned how one must be flexible because tests may not always take place in the way that is expected. Have compassion for yourself and your students at this time. Remember, you are doing your best with the knowledge you have at the time.